In front of you is a solid metal mass, weighing in at a full 121 kilograms. At first glance, it may seem like a simple block of metal, but for us, it represents a challenging and transformative journey. This mass will become the backbone of our engine, crafted into a crankshaft that will ultimately measure 7.5 kilometers in length. What's unique about this crankshaft is that it isn't performing just one task. We've designed it to serve two critical roles, acting as both the crankshaft and the camshaft for this engine. This dual-function design is not only innovative but also complex, requiring great precision and careful planning. Our team is working with limited tools and resources, but our commitment is unwavering. Every day, we come in and shape, cut, and refine this metal, bit by bit, knowing that it's going to take time. In fact, we've already been working on it for over a month. And yet, this is just the beginning. Each day, we push forward, adjusting and testing our methods, finding creative solutions to overcome the challenges we encounter. We're transforming this solid block into a finely tuned piece of engineering. The task of shaping and forming the crankshaft demands skill, patience, and determination. We are turning this raw metal into something precise and reliable, capable of withstanding extreme conditions and powering an engine that performs with both strength and efficiency. We're using manual methods, and our equipment is modest. We don't have the advanced machinery that would make this process faster, but we've got our hands, our skills, and our dedication to this work. Once we finish the crankshaft, we move on to the next stage of this journey, creating molds for the engine body. This is where we bring in aluminum, a lighter yet strong material that will serve as the framework for the engine. Melting aluminum requires careful control of temperature and timing, as any inconsistency can affect the integrity of the final product. Here again, we face the challenge of working with limited resources, but our commitment to quality never wavers. As we pour the molten aluminum into the molds, it feels like a culmination of our hard work. This is a critical moment as we watch the liquid metal take the shape of the engine block. The transformation from raw materials to a structured and functional piece of equipment is not just about mechanics. It's a true craft. We may not have all the technical resources that others do, but what we lack in technology, we make up for with precision, patience, and a relentless drive to see this project through. Our workshop might seem humble, but each step in this process represents a milestone. It's not only about creating an engine, it's about proving that with enough dedication and ingenuity, we can build something remarkable, even with limited means. We work carefully, inspecting every detail, knowing that any small flaw can affect the engine's performance later. This careful inspection and adjustment process extends the timeline, but it ensures that when this engine runs, it will be reliable and efficient. As you watch, remember that this journey involves countless hours, challenges, and innovations. From transforming the 121-kilogram mass into a dual-function crankshaft, to melting and casting aluminum for the engine block, every part of this work is the result of skill and determination. We're building more than an engine. We're building a testament to what's possible when passion and precision come together, no matter the obstacles. With each stage, we get closer to completing an engine that is not only functional, but also an embodiment of our effort and resilience. Soon, this engine will be ready to operate, standing as proof of what can be achieved with perseverance, craftsmanship, and the belief that with dedication, even modest resources